My husband said that I snored. Now, I think that I probably didn't much, and if I did, it was certainly very quietly unladylike. However, it seemed to bother him a little bit. So one night I thought, well, instead of listening to him to fussing about my snoring, I'm just going to use EFT on it. So I used EFT, and I didn't say anything to him about it. I just used EFT on it, and just kept saying, I don't know why I snore, and all that, you know, and then I went to sleep, because snoring never kept me awake. It was him that had to stay awake. So the next morning he said, I got such a good night's sleep. Honey, you didn't snore at all last night. And I said, I didn't. And he said, no. And so after that, I would just ask him sometimes. He didn't mention it every morning, but I would ask him sometimes. I said, did I snore last night? And he'd say, no, I didn't hear you last night. And I don't guess I snored anymore for, I don't know, probably a month, 6 weeks or something. And then one morning he said, you must be getting a cold or something. I heard you snore last night. So I did EFT again that night, and now he says that I never snore. When I was tapping using EFT on it, I just said, even though I snore, I totally and completely accept myself. And then I would say things like, I don't know why I snore, and I don't want to snore, and I'm not even sure I do snore, because that was his story, not mine, you know. So I would just tap on all that, you know, just whatever came to mind. And like I said, I only tapped the 2 different nights. And to me, it wasn't really such a big thing till, you know, I don't remember exactly what I said, but I remember not knowing what causes snoring. So I was just saying all that kind of thing, you know, like, even though I don't know,